All right. Hey, you guys. Okay. So I am here. I am going to explain how this little graphic organizer works. Okay. So this is a plot diagram, basically. You may have seen this before. So here's how it's going to work. So you're going to turn this in tomorrow to Miss Contito. So here's what I want you to do. First thing you're going to do is down here on the bottom, it says prompt. It's just not pretty and printed because, well, never mind that. Okay, so we're gonna write what prompt you choose to do. Okay, here I picked rewrite. Your other option is change. So it's either you're gonna rewrite the ending, or you are going to change the ending and make it different somehow. In this action, I'm going to say that we're going to rewrite it. Okay. So here's how you fill it out. First, the exposition is the stuff at the beginning. So we meet George and Hazel, and we learn what handicaps are. Okay, what's the problem? What's the conflict? The TV announcer says that Harrison has broken out of jail. Oh no, so terrible, right? Okay, the rising action. He declares himself emperor on live TV. He rips off his handicaps and he chooses an empress and he frees her too. See how this is going up? Like things are becoming more exciting. Yes, I hear you thinking out loud that it's not exciting. It's actually boring, but just kind of go with me here. So the conflict is going up, the action is going up. It's kind of like being on a roller coaster. It's getting more and more exciting. Then we come up to the climax, and the climax is that the handicapper general shoots the emperor and the empress on live TV. They're stone cold dead, laying on the stage, right? Okay. What happens next? Next, we're going to come down from our climax. We have our falling action, which is the TV broadcast goes dark and Hazel starts crying. We're kind of like tying things up in a neat little bow. Nothing really exciting is happening. We're kind of dealing with all the bad that happened here. We're just dealing with it. Okay. And then our resolution to end our story, George asks why she's crying, and Hazel, forgets. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. So now I can take this whole diagram that I have written, right? And I can turn this in to Miss Contito. Now, do not copy this because this is not what she is looking for. Okay, I'm just showing you how it works. Okay, what I want you to do is you're going to pick a spot in this story where you're going to start rewriting from. Maybe it's from here where he declares himself the emperor. Maybe it's right here when he gets shot. I don't know. That's up to you. Okay. But you're going to pick a point where you're going to start rewriting and you're going to switch to Harrison's point of view. And you're going to talk about how things look from his perspective. Maybe the handicapper general shoots me while I'm live on TV, trying to convince everyone to be free. Those sorts of things. Tell me what's happening from his side of the story. Maybe the following action, it's not the TV broadcast going dark, right? Because Harrison's not there. Maybe it's him laying on the stage, bleeding out. I mean, it's your story, so you get to pick whatever you want to do. But go ahead and fill this out for how the story goes, and then you can use that to turn in tomorrow and get your next step. Hope this helped.